Okay, we're going to do a quick tips and tricks for tying up your tomato branches if you've let them get out of control. Us. I'm sure many of you guys do as well. Simple headbands that you can buy from the dollar store. We have a Dollar Tree by us, so they are 12 for $1. Simply just yank really hard right here and they will come apart, and I have to pretty much just a big rubber band with fabric around it, which actually is pretty nice to tie your tomato plants up with. Let's go take a look at what that's going to look like. Alright, so perfect example where I have neglected to do what I'm supposed to be doing to take care of these plants. Never do you want a tomato plant to be just laying on the ground. You either want it tied up or in a cage or something along those lines. Sorry, I'm going to change my angle here because I'm going to get nothing but shadows. Alright, cool. First thing you want to do is take a look at like where it's branching out at, pick it up, kind of just figure out exactly where is a good spot to stake it up to. Our cage is right here. It's supported by a rod at the moment, or a stake. So I think we're gonna just tie it off here and through these other branches to try not to disturb them, and then bring it up. What you want to do is find a good intersection. Here is a little too low, but that's a perfect spot. So I think we're probably going to do right here where it will not slip, and we can tie it up. And take a look at that now.
2 hours later.
Okay, so what I've done is just did a simple double knot here, but didn't do it too tight. I want to be able to undo it if you need to either move it, or if it gets too tight, which the whole point of using this elastic band is it's not supposed to get too tight. It'll expand as the plant stem grows. So then I'm going to take this end and we're going to tie it up here, and we'll pull it tight. And I am the only one working the camera here, so I'm going to have to set this down or pause it, and I'll show you what I did. Okay, as you can see, I tied the stem, wrapped it around the cage part where I wanted to, got it as tight as I wanted, then wrapped it back around the stem and did a loose knot so that we can untighten it and readjust it if we need to. Good result. Make sure you're not interfering with any of the other leaves or fruit that are growing on the vine from the one next to it. So kind of weed it through, make some room. Yeah, that's about it. And again, get them at the dollar store, and you can save your life and your plants.